So ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome again. So in this video we are going to look at how we can search and find a certain item within Microsoft Excel worksheet. So I have a document here, but when you see this document, it is having data of different types, both numeric, text and strings, and then uh, and symbols. So but now if I want to find a certain value within this data, sometimes it may be hard by just looking with your eyes instead of using a tool in Microsoft Excel library. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go direct to the home tab, which is open by default. After that, then you check in the right and the right corner of the tabs, of the tools in the home tab. You will see an option that say find and select. When you use this, you can use this to search and find any value, and then use the replace text to replace the value in the cell. So now what I'm going to do, click on that, then you get a list of options. And the first option is what we call find. So go ahead and click on that, and then you see a dialog window that will pop up on the screen that asks you to find and replace. So in this case, I'm going to find an item or a value in Microsoft in this worksheet of mine. So that is I'm going to find this item called light in this cell of H17. So if I to see this one, maybe I can highlight that to red. I want to find this item, say a light which is red, which is marked as red, and it is found in the box name which is H17. So I'll go ahead and type the word in my box, my search box, which is light. It is in capital letter. So after that, you will see an option which is saying find next. Go ahead and click that, and then once you do that, now you can see that by default you can see the cell is selected. So if you want to say find like next, now you can see down here they are showing you the direction or the address where the value is found. It is in this book, Table Talk Secondary Education, secondary teaching, and then this is the sheet, the name of the sheet down here, and then you see the name of the cell. It is cell column H row 17, and the value is right. So after that, if I want to replace that, go ahead and select replace. Then in the new box, type the word you want to replace with, and say I want to replace this with the word wave. So I'll go ahead and type wave. After that, I go ahead and select replace all. So once that one is done, you can now see that in my cell, which is H17, the word light is not there. Now I have the word wave. Then say OK, and all that is done. What about if I want to select maybe linear motion? So I first select the cell. I can mark it as red, and this cell is found in this word is found in H8, that is column H row 8. So I'll go ahead and say find, and I'm finding what we call linear motion. Linear motion. So after that, select find. Now in this after finding all, I realize that linear motion is found in cell H8. Now I want to replace it. Go ahead to replace linear motion with testing, just anyone testing. Say linear motion with I can put speed. Speed of sound. So now I want to replace this word with this. So go ahead and press, click on repress all. Once that one is done, you can now see the word linear motion has been replaced with speed of sound, and then that one is done. Go ahead and press OK, and everything is done now, and that's what we wanted to show you today. Otherwise, there are many videos coming that will show you many techniques on how we can use Excel. Let's keep subscribed and keep following for more videos. Thank you. Let's catch up, guys.